To pay for Temu items with GCash, start by downloading and installing the Temu app and the GCash app on your mobile device. Create an account on both platforms if you do not already have one. Open the Temu app and browse through the various items available for purchase. Once you find an item you want to buy, click on it to view its details. Then click the Add to Cart button to add the item to your shopping cart. After adding all the items you want to purchase to your cart, click the Checkout button to proceed to the payment page. On the payment page, select GCash as your payment method. You will be redirected to the GCash payment page where you will be required to log in to your GCash account. Enter your GCash account details to log in and then confirm the payment. The amount will be deducted from your GCash wallet and you will receive a confirmation message once the payment is successful. It is essential to ensure that you have sufficient funds in your GCash wallet before making a payment. You can top up your GCash wallet using various methods such as online banking, over the counter, or through a GCash partner outlet. After completing the payment, return to the Temu app to confirm your order. You will receive an email with the details of your order and the estimated delivery time. Keep track of your order and wait for it to be delivered to your doorstep. By following these steps, you can easily pay for Temu items using GCash. Remember to always keep your GCash account and Temu app up to date to ensure a smooth and secure transaction.